Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Stitches by Emmy. So in today's video, it's not really a tutorial video, it's just going to walk you through the process of making this dress. This pattern is on the channel, the bustier pattern I drafted. Kindly check it out. So this is what I turned the pattern into. I'm so sorry I couldn't make a tutorial video on the sewing process. So this video is just for you to see how I achieved this dress here on the screen. So here I had cut out my interlining on my crepe fabric. So this is my upper part, my crepe fabric. I added hair to it and then I cut out my padding. So this is the back pieces with the lace. This lace is heavily beaded, so I trimmed off those beads at the sewing allowance. So this is my yoke, the front and the back yokes, and this is my sleeve. So I joined these pieces together and I also joined the lining together separately. I joined the main fabric separately from the lining because I wanted to achieve an inseam finishing. So this dress I wore it to my dad's funeral. Guys, I lost my dad, so it was my dad's funeral. That's why I couldn't make a detailed video on the making of this dress. And this is my lining. I had joined my lining. So the next thing now is to iron the seams open, as you can see. So this is it. I was done with making the dress. So this is what my base looked like. I did yoke placement because it was I wanted to achieve this sharp V, so I had to do yoke placement. This is my mini designer with me. So guys, here I was just going to put back those beads that I trimmed off. I wanted to make a little design at the neckline with the lace by beading and also securing the lace on the yoke. So this white design you see on the yoke here is a part of the lace that I placed on the upper part. You know, the upper part was plain before, so I have placed a carved part of the lace on that bodice. I don't know if you understand it. This lace has pattern, so I carved out the middle pattern and I placed it on the bodice like so. I also added some beads to it as a means of securing the fabric, the lace fabric, to the main bodice. So I also carved out a little design for the upper parts, as you can see. So here I was attaching the pearls at the same time attaching the lace to the main piece. So guys, this is it. The neckline is beaded. So that yoke that I placed is well covered with the beads. This is what it looked like after I was done attaching my pearls and this little structure. Guys, pardon my tummy, I'm a nursing mom. So this is what the dress looks like. It was comfortable. So guys, this is the finished look on the day of the burial. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.